Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at the half thickness or the half layer thickness. So let's first understand what it means. So let's say that here on the left side we have a source of cesium-137. Cesium-137 is a radioactive isotope. That means that the source will emit gamma radiation, and these waves here actually represent the gamma radiation. We can use different substances as a shield. What do I mean by shield? You know that when we're talking about radiation, the safety is important because we want to be not to be exposed to the radiation. So we are looking for different substances to block the radiation. Or in other words, I can say that that substance here will absorb the radiation. So first let me write the unit here. So these values are in centimeters. So as I said, here I have cesium 137, and let's say that here we start with 100%. So the radiation here before the shield is 100%. So if I have, for example, a slab of concrete here and the thickness is 4.8, so this is the half thickness. That means that this concrete right here will absorb 50% of radiation and only 50% will be transmitted. What about if I have two layers of concrete, 2 times 4.8 centimeters? That means that 75% of the radiation will be absorbed and only 25% will be transmitted. And if I have 3 layers, only 12.5% of the radiation will be transmitted, and the rest will be absorbed by the substance. So that was the definition of the half thickness or the half layer thickness. Now we can look at a few exercises. For example, we have one exercise here. So here a source of beta radiation is placed in front of a detector. Pieces of aluminum of different thicknesses are placed between the source and the detector. The thickness of the absorber and the count rate are measured, and the results are shown on the graph here. So let me find the graph. Where is the graph? Here. So here I have a graph. On the vertical axis we have the count rate or the counts per minute, and on the horizontal axis we have the thickness of the absorber. So the count rate at the beginning is 200 when we don't have any shield here. So I'm going to actually work out the half thickness from the graph. So I know that the half thickness is the thickness that blocks 50% of the radiation. So half of 200 is 100. So the count rate is 100 and the thickness is 2 millimeters.